Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting the immediate frame, make a small promise to yourself and keep it. With your device charged and a 10-15 minute window, choose one simple goal and state it aloud. Once done, silence notifications and lower screen brightness to 1/2. This reduces friction. You're not preparing forever. This is the first actionable step. Begin now by opening the app or activity, note the initial feeling, and commit to one focus cycle so progress is immediate. Once you're in motion, deepen the practice through structured cycles and a single technique. Work in 8-12 minute focused blocks, then take a 2-3 minute pause to reset. Choose one reliable method, list 3 quick gratitudes, breathe using a 4-6 count, or finish a tiny micro task, and stick with it across cycles. Make sure to mark each cycle as complete and rate your mood from 1 to 10 afterward. This data keeps momentum and shows why small wins compound. To finish, do a concise reflection. Say one sentence summarizing what changed and identify your next step. Once closed, store your device away for a full hour to preserve gains. If you find yourself repeatedly distracted, troubleshoot by shortening blocks to 4 minutes and simplifying the task. This lowers resistance. Make sure to repeat the routine most days. Consistency beats intensity. Stick with 3 to 7 sessions per week, and you'll see the practical reasons. This method increases joy over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.